coming this next week. But really, really cool, awesome opportunity coming to you tomorrow is to meet with the co-president and creative director of LAFC. Do we have any soccer fans in the house? Any soccer people? I know there's got to be a few. So if you like LAFC, or if you don't love LAFC, but you are super excited about soccer or about creative design, the co-president and creative director is coming to meet with us tomorrow. And so that is during fourth block. That's the history block tomorrow from 2:05 to 2:50. So you can sign up for that in your check-in form. And then if you missed it, or like you were asleep when you were filling out your check-in form, you can just email Ms. Batiki, and I'm sure she would be happy to add you to the list. But that is going to be really cool. You can learn about soccer and how they, like what types of creative things that they do, especially like design logos, which is a part of our PT. So this will count for a college rep visit for the research section if you go. And then if you like all the videos that they play at the stadium, or like if you've ever been driving by, they have those videos on the big advertisement board that they have. This guy is the person who is in charge of all that. So could be a really interesting guest speaker this Friday. So LAFC, really, really super awesome. So that is it for college reps. We have Peyton, one of our awesome TAs, is going to make an announcement. Peyton, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Hi guys. So basically tomorrow, which is Friday, I'm holding like a workshop. So like, the ACT is coming up next week. This is like to like help you get a bit extra prepared. So if you guys want to come on Friday, just come to Miss Mac's office hours and I'll be there to help you guys.
Yeah, for sure. And I can, if you want to private message me right now to let me know I want some more ACT work, I'd like to work on that, you can private message me right now. If you want to come, you can also email me. So that's a really cool opportunity. Peyton is awesome at the ACT, so he can definitely support you in getting better at the ACT there. So cool. Thanks, Peyton. All right, team. Have we played Gimkit before? I think we have. Miss Cold class? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Love me some Gimkit. Okay, Gimkit, if you have not played yet, is a better game than Kahoot. I personally think. I know some people are like super love Kahoot, but I personally think that it's better than Kahoot. So we are going to jump into Gimkit. I am going to set it up here for us. The goal is to review for the quiz. So I'll be able to see which questions we're struggling on, and then I'll be able to go over them with you before the quiz happens. So we're going to set a timer for 10 minutes. You guys are my algebra 2. I'm going to give you some starting cash, $75. Remember on Gimkit that if you level, the way to win the game is to buy stuff that lets you level up, right? So you can get points faster, right? That's the whole goal of the game, is to get as many dollars as you can. So I'm going to start you with $75 so that you can get started. Yeah. Other than that, you can also take people down. So there is this button for clean power-ups only. I don't select it. You can play dirty power-ups. That means like you can free someone from playing. You can like do all kinds of stuff. So here we go. So you're gonna go to gimkit.com/play, which I will put in the chat. HTTPS. Yeah, try that. And then the code you're typing in is 46779. 46779. And then you're gonna jump on in. There's Alvia. She's already made it. Awesome. Thanks, Geraldine. Excited to see you guys. Playing today will also go in as another test score. So it's basically like extra credit for your test. So playing today is like extra credit for your test. I'm a big fan of that. So play away. jumping in. Anyone who's playing is getting extra credit for their test. I'm a huge fan. Make it happen. Oh yeah, we got 14 players. Nice. 14 players. We got 73 people on this call, minus the TAs and me. Maybe 70 people trying to play this game. Could be a real loaded game. It's exciting. Janine and Lizbeth, it's not letting you play. What do you mean? What does it say? It's not work. Okay, for my people who say it's not working, can you screen share and let me know? It says connection not private. I typed it because it said error. Okay, yeah. So go ahead and type in gimkit.com/play. It sounds like gimkit.com/play. Not secured. I don't know what that means. Okay, a bunch of people are getting in, so I feel like it's working. But now I don't know. 44. So my people who it's not working for, can you try just typing in the website, gimkit.com/play? It says privacy error. I'm going to try it. Gimkit.com/play. You might need to try refreshing. And maybe that too many people are playing Gimkit this morning. It's probably because they haven't joined your class. So when you go to gimkit.com/play, you should see this. And then the code is 46779. So you get 46779. Join. My people who are getting it's not secured, did you play in Miss Pole's class? Maybe it's not, maybe Jasmine's right. Maybe it's because you didn't play in Miss Pole's class. You should see this. It should say get ready and you can draw. You can like draw things like that. That is what you should be seeing. We're up at 54 players, so almost everybody has gotten in. Mia, Elizabeth, Janine, Melanie, Seabass, how are we doing? Gabby made it. Cool. Oh, look, there's me. Can I kick myself out? Oh, it's not like a hoot. I can kick it out on the back end. Amira made it in. Amira, what did you do different? Because you were stuck and now you're in. Oh, there's Jasmine. Still looking for Janine. There's Mia. Mia made it in. Mia, what did you guys do? How can we help? Seabass, thank you for letting me know. I will try to change it on my end because it just stole your name off of your Google. Mia, you signed in. Amira, you typed it in and then you signed in. Okay. So it sounds like for my people who are still struggling, you're going to type in gimkit.com/play. I'm going to play right here. I wish I could send a link. That would be great. But apparently my link didn't work. So gimkit.com. Okay, team, you can continue to enter, right? I'm going to go ahead and start this game. If it is taking too long to load for you, my suggestion would maybe be to try your phone if you have one, right? To try your phone if you have one. If you got one, that would be awesome. All right, I will continue to post this in the chat so that you still have access to this guy here. All right, are you guys ready? Are you ready? All right, the questions do recycle. So if you get one wrong, you should check the answer because you're probably gonna get that question again. So just a heads up. On your mark, get set, starting the game. Oh, I wish you could hear the music. There's so much music right now. Let's do this. Oh, Alan already upgraded. Geraldine already upgraded. Alfredo already upgraded. It looks like people are trying to win this game. I'm a big fan. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Alejandra, currently in the lead. Nayeli has upgraded. Angelica upgraded. Look at all these upgrades. Big upgrades happening today, guys. People trying to win the game. Everybody's at level 2. Who's going to take the lead? Oh, Lisbeth. Lisbeth took the lead. Got to get those questions right to get more points. Jasmine Pineda took the lead. Oh, Subin switching her out. Birthday girl. Will the birthday girl win the game? We will see. Oh, Alfredo has iced Jasmine. That is a dirty, dirty move there. Jasmine, how do you feel? Bad news, Bears? All right, I think you're back. There you go, Jazz. Take it back. Betrayed. Wow, betrayed, yeah. All right. Anybody's game. Plenty of time left in this game, guys. Plenty of time. Let's go. Nayeli at the bottom, but that's because she just bought something. So let's see. Let's see what happens next. All my people buying things. I see you. Gary, Brian, buying some new items. Love it. Big fan. If you're just joining us, good morning. We are playing Gimkit. There's the code. Excuse me. Ooh, Subin taking over that number 1 spot. Here's Geraldine coming up. Zephyr making it into the top 10. Ooh, Amelia, great job. Daryl's dance moves, make it happen. Woo! Sada getting to number 2. Angelica in that number 1 spot. Who will win? Anthony C upgraded. I see you, Tony. Good job. Ooh, Brian has iced Alan. Alan, how do you feel? Take a moment. Send us a chat. Let us know. How does it feel to be iced? Seems rough. Moses making that upgrade. I like it. Great job. Yeah, it doesn't feel good, Alex. It feels not good. I'm with you. Roxana and Gracia updating, upgrading. Elizabeth upgrading. I'm here for it. There is lots of movement in the top 10. I'm a big fan. We're about at the halfway mark. So you've probably gotten through many answers so far. They're going to start to recycle. Don't forget those answers you already know. Jasmine, after taking a toll from being iced, is back in the top 10, back in the top 5. Alfredo moving back up in the world. Here we go. So many upgrades. You guys are doing great. We got some level 3 upgrades here from Lily. Woo. Oh, Alfredo blurred you, Jasmine. This is a fight. These are fighting words. Fighting power-ups. Yikes. Wow, Alfredo. Is it personal? Jasmine needs to know. Ezra upgrading, love it, love to see it. Alfredo M getting that level 3 upgrade. Big upgrade from Alfredo. Diana and Angelica just quietly in the top 2. Oh, Alfredo though, moving to the top 2. New music, oh yeah. Oh, Manny coming up into this top 10. Ashley Mexicanos, I see you. Alan has iced Brian. Brian, how does it feel? There's a lot of icing happening here. Whew. Zephyr turned on the shield. Big moves right there, trying to avoid that ice. Wow. We're back. We're back to the old music. Is this the Kahoot music? This feels like the Kahoot music. Alfredo M taking the lead. Nope, Angelica's back on top. Wendy in that top 5. I'm impressed. Oh yeah, I see you, Amira. I see you working your way up. I see you, Joy. Keep going, you got this. Oh, there's Nayeli coming up from the bottom. Started at the bottom, now she's here. Nice, keep it up, team. Keep it up. Diana, upgrading, love it, love to see it. Oh yeah, get him back, Jasmine, great job. Jasmine has blurred Alfredo. Alfredo, how does it feel? Yikes. Ooh, Angelica has gotten some injuries. That seems like a good thing to do at this point in the game. There are 2 minutes left, people. 2 minutes. Sada taking over that #1 spot. Gary has Isara though, so I don't know. We might see what happens next. Can she stay in the lead? We've made about $6,000 collectively as a team. That's pretty solid. Lots of upgrading. We've got about 1 minute, 45 seconds. Keep it up. Keep it up. Nice. Love to see it. Keep it up. Great job. Angelica taking over that #1 spot again. Joshua L, I see you. I see you right on the verge of the top 10. You got this. Alfredo, you had it there for just a second, but Angelica took it back. Oh, Alfredo's back on top. Let's see who will win. Battle it out. 40 more seconds. 40 seconds. Don't buy any more. Don't buy anything left. Just work it out. Here we go. Go. Ooh, Josh upgraded to that money per question. Big fan. Antoine, blurred Alfredo. Trying to help you out, Angelica. So nice of you, Antoine. Jasmine blurred, no, Ben blurred Jazz. Jazz, you've been really hit this game. Seems really challenging. Sada in 3rd place. Alfredo in 2nd. Angelica, 1st place. Wow. Angelica, where are you at? How do you feel? Throw something in the chat or come off mute. Tell us. How does it feel? I see all of you just tapping, 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 tapping. This little clap, man, big facts. Love it. Antoine, yeah, Antoine, you really gave Angelica the assist on that last minute one. Angelica, my heart is beating so fast. I'm so glad you guys jumped into this game. We had incredible scores across the way. That's super awesome. Shout out to Antoine and Angelica for that teamwork, really making that happen. Alfredo, stolen, but you'll get them next time. All right, I'm gonna let you look at my background for a hot second while I pull up this report. The report's gonna tell us which questions were the hardest for us so that we can go over them real fast before the quiz. All right, let's look at the question breakdown. Oh yeah, sometimes, man, these trivia questions really get you. So here we go. In what state was the first Six Flags theme park located? Answer was Texas. Answer was Texas. Yes. Solve the following system by graphing. Let's check out this one because we only got 27% right. So when we look at this question, right, we see that all of them are sort of like placed out here. I've got this in standard form. So I'm gonna have to move that 4x over to the side and divide by 3y so that I can get them on their own, like get y by itself, right? So my goal, I probably needed paper and pencil for this one. So maybe that's why we had a little bit of a harder time with this one here. But this one would be, let's see, positive 4x on this side divided by 3, 4 over 3. So we would need one that is up 4 over 3. Up 4 over 3, I'm looking for it. Up 4 over 3. I don't know where it is. We'll find it, but you guys did fine. It was B, so this one here would have been up 4 over 3. I don't know what I'm doing here. We'll find out. It's okay. You did you could barely see on those questions. Yeah, so a trick of Gimkit is you got to press the button to make it big on your screen, right? So a lot of times it shows you just like a little picture right here. You got to click on the picture to make it pop up. So maybe that's why we didn't quite know. Okay, we're at 29% on this one. This one says in the standard XY coordinate plane, it's formed, there's a triangle, right? It says which of the following is the equation of AB? So I can see that the y-intercept is positive 6, right? So I'm gonna say, okay, it might be A, it's not gonna be B, and it's not gonna be D, right? And then I know that it's going down, it's going downhill here. So I know it's gonna have a negative slope. So it either needs to be D or it needs to be A, right? This is down 6 over 1. This would be down 1 over 1. I can see that I'm going down 6 here and over 6 to get to this place here. Down 6 over 6, that's 6 over 6. That makes 1. So negative 1x, A would have been that correct answer. A would have been that correct answer. All right. Oh yeah, another trivia question. What's the total number of dots on a pair of dice? Did anyone think about it? Like, okay, count 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Is that how we got there? Maybe because on a dice, right, you have all the sides are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the tricky part here was that it was a pair of dice, So you would have 2 dice. Cool. Here's another one that is going to be on our quiz. It says, where's the solution? Was it the red part, the blue part, or the purple part? It's the purple part. That's your solution set, right? So when you graph, you only want to do this part as your solution. And it asked what quadrants it was in. Remember, your quadrants are in a C motion. So this would be number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. And we see that the purple section is in number 1 and number 4. Number 1 and number 4. All right. All right. Oh yeah, looking like these ACT questions are tripping us up. Okay, so I know my y-intercept is positive 2. So I know it's got to be F, it's got to be H, or it's got to be K. I see that it's going downhill, so it has to be negative, right? So it's not going to be K. So it's either H with negative 2/3 or F with negative 3/2. So this is going down 2 to get back to 0 and over 3. So
down 2/3 would be H. H would be that correct answer. Cool, guys. Last one here. It says, what is the slope of the line given by the equation 5x equals 9y plus 18? You got to move this 9y over here to make negative 9y. Move that 5x over here to make negative 5x. Divide by negative 9 on all of them. You get negative 5 over negative 9, which is positive 5 over 9. G right here. Okay, well, I'm not worried because all the ones that were like the ones that are going to be on our tests were down here in these sections where we got like lots of questions right. Our most easy question was this one. What type of lines are these? Parallel lines. Big fan. All right, were there any ones that we had specific questions on? Fictional city, the home of Batman. You guys were right on with Gotham. Great job. You guys are doing awesome on these ones. Don't forget this one means greater than. Okay. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to privately chat me them. In the meantime, I do want to get us started on our quiz. So we have 15 minutes of class time now to work on it, and then you guys have your whole asynchronous block to work on it. So when you go to Canvas today, you're going to see something that looks like this. Our classwork is done. You made it to the Zoom call. We did hello and announcements. We have Gimkit review, and now we're going to take our quiz. Your quiz is only 5 questions. It's not going to kill your grade. You can do retakes. We'll do retakes next week, so no worries. If you totally don't know what to do, that's okay. It is open note, but not open friend, right? Honor system, right? We want to know what you know, not what your friends know. So you want to make sure that you can use your notes and your assignments if you want. You just want to make sure that you're not using your friends. When you're finished with the quiz, it should look something like this, okay? So you're going to have one question with a graph on it, one question with an inequality on it, one question with work on it, one question with a graph on it, and one question with a graph on it, okay? So for everyone, I have, these are not the answers. Don't just copy these as the answers. Those are not the answers. But your answers should look something like this when you are finished, okay? If you scroll down, you'll see the quiz is here. There are 8 different versions if you count the accelerated versions. So there are 8 different versions of the test. Everyone has a different version. If you can't see this, like if this embedded part doesn't pop up, then you can click right here and it will take you to it. If you click here, that'll be how you can print it out. I know a couple people asked me to be able to print, and so it is there. It is 500 points. Remember that each of the questions is worth 100 points. That's just how my grading system works. It's exactly the same as the last quiz. So this quiz and the last quiz will be weighted equally against each other. And so you want to make sure that you turn it in. I know last time that we had a quiz, some people were like, I haven't turned in some assignments. I need to prioritize my assignments. Don't do that. Don't prioritize your assignments. This is 5 questions that go into the 40% category, right? So I know that I had to convince some of you guys to take that quiz because you were like, nah, I want to do my assignments first. I really, really think it is super important for you to do the quiz first, and then we can prioritize missing assignments as well. Okay. So yes, it is 500 points. That's because it goes into that big section, but you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Can you print it out? Yes, you can click right here to print it out. I think I answered all my questions in the chat. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and turn off your cameras if you feel more comfortable. You can leave them on if you'd like to, but we are gonna get started on that quiz. Go ahead and navigate to the last thing on Canvas. The last thing on Canvas says quiz 6 through 10. It is on Canvas. If you can't see the quiz below, you can click right here where it says click here. Joshua, it is due by midnight tonight. Great question. Midnight tonight. It is your assignment for today. So just like normal, it's due by the end of the day. Emiliano, this is for everyone. So I just clicked on the one that said honors, but if you are a regular, you will see one that says regular on it. If you're a star, you'll see one that says regular on it. Sounds good, Josh. So everyone should be navigating to their Canvas page. At the very bottom of Canvas, you're going to see one of these 5. You won't see all 5. I see all 5 because I'm a teacher. But you'll see one of these guys. You can start now. Yeah.
Ya son los que se quedan de último más.
We had a really great question in the chat, which was, if there's side questions, do we answer all the questions or just the graph? So like on that first one, it asked for the slope and the y-intercept. I asked those, like, yes, please answer those. I ask them so that you can, I ask them so that like I can give partial points. So if you see those answers, please do tell me what you decided was the slope and the y-intercept, etc. And let's not be joking in the chat, porfa. Thank you. You can make a copy of the document if you want, but you're just submitting a picture on Canvas. Submitting a picture on Canvas.
Okay, guys, you have the rest of the asynchronous time to work on your test. You are welcome to log off the Zoom at this time. Just remember to upload your picture to Canvas by 11:59 tonight. So you have as much time as you need all the way until midnight. Just make sure that you upload it in some way because I need to be able to see your thinking. You can email it to me, you can text it to me. If Canvas isn't working, you let me know. Okay. All right, team. You can go ahead and log off the Zoom. Good luck. I will see you soon. Bye, guys. Bye. See you. It was fun playing Gimkit with you guys today. Bye, guys. See you in office hours if you're coming, for sure. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Bye. See you. Adios. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Bye, guys. I'm going to kick you. Bye, everyone. Hello, pre-calculus.